So to remove it, you have these two screws right here. It's gonna take a T20 Torx 20, and you have one in the front and one in the bottom, and the one in the front and one in the back. So once you remove those, then you have to pull this cover down, and then just push this plastic down. And you're gonna have the two hoses, the two airlines. Before you remove the airlines, make sure where they go. This one right now, it's facing on the driver's side, and on the red one, I don't know if they all have it, but you're gonna see like a red writing on it, and that one goes right there. But just make sure how you remove them. So I already drained all the air out of the air tanks, so it'll make it easier to remove the lines. So I'm just gonna be using this to lift the fitting and just push the line down, so that one is released. Same thing on the other side. So now the two airlines are released. So I'm gonna be using this 3/4 wrench. So I'm gonna loosen this nut right here. So as you can see, the shift knob, it's already loose, so just take it out. And then so now I'm gonna insert this other cover. Just push it down and bring in your knob. So I'm gonna put it straight, align it. So I'm gonna put the knob straight, and I'm gonna bring this lock nut up just so it can lock in place, and then just use the wrench. There it goes, and you just put the lines back in. Okay, so I'm just gonna insert the airlines back in, the red one on the other side. Just make sure they're all the way in. Give it a little pull, make sure it doesn't come back out. So just push this one in, put this one in place. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the two screws right here. Line everything. There it goes.